This video is just showing Mum how to use the blender bullet. This is the blending cup. This is the blending lid. This is a lid that can go on the cup if you want to store the smoothie mix for a half a day. I would not store it for more than a few hours. It must be in the fridge, and that's when you would use this. This is a small version of this blending cup, and you could use it to chop nuts or whatever. You could even make a small smoothie in there, but I wouldn't recommend making a smoothie in there. It's just too small to put in the ingredients. What I'd recommend is you fill this up about halfway and compact it fairly well with spinach. Then you put must be frozen berries to keep the smoothie nice and cold in there, and then you'd put about half a cup of milk. Is all too much milk will make it too runny. Just a little bit of milk in there, and maybe stuff a half a banana or even a full banana in there, and that would be it. When you've done that, you would then put this on just by screwing it on, and you can see you have the blades facing down. You put it on like that. I can't film this and do it, so I'm just going to put that on. So I just screwed that lid on, right? And you can see the blades are in here. Get it on nice and tight. And now you would simply take this like that. You got the little wee locking points here. You'll see just the little knobs that go in, and watch what happens. Then you turn it to lock it in place, and you can let it go. And you would blend for about 30 seconds, maybe a minute. That's all you'd need. You can maybe just shake it a little bit on there. That's it. And then when you're done, you tip it up that way, upside down. You then unscrew this. I'll do 1, 2, 3. So now you unscrew that, and you're ready to drink. That's it. If you want this blue attachment here, you can go on here like that, and you'd screw that on. It just saves you drinking off the plastic ridge here where you screw it on. If you want to, I don't know that you need that. I wouldn't worry about it, but you can. And if you want to put some of the smoothie in the fridge, you want an airtight seal. You put the black solid lid on here, put it in the fridge. You're done. You just take this and you rinse it out. Should be all you need to do. And then when you're done, you rinse that out. You unplug that, and you're ready to go for the next time. And again, this little cup is just for a smaller version, but if you're making a smoothie, I wouldn't try and make one in here because you don't have enough room to put the ingredients in. Really, just that would be again for chopping nuts or something. This would be the one that you'd just want to use. That easy. So again, I would fill it up halfway with spinach, push it down, put a cup or a half cup, 3/4 of a cup of frozen berries, put a half cup of milk, maybe a little bit more, but about a half cup. You'll feel like you can put a lot of milk in there. You shouldn't, because it'll make it too runny. Just put about a half cup to break everything up. Put it on, and you blend for about 30 to 60 seconds. And you can tap the top or maybe just shake it a little bit while it's on there. And you're done. That easy.